Design a low-maintenance flower garden bursting with vibrancy. Creating a vibrant and beautiful flower garden using low-maintenance plants is an ideal solution for those who love the beauty of natural landscapes but have limited time to dedicate to garden maintenance. By thoughtfully selecting plant species that are resilient and easy to care for, you can craft a stunning visual display that thrives with minimal intervention. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces the stress and pressure often associated with maintaining a garden, making it a perfect fit for busy gardeners looking to enjoy the fruits of their labor without it becoming a full-time job. One of the key strategies in designing such a garden is to focus on perennials that offer long-lasting blooms and require very little upkeep. Species such as coneflowers, daylilies, and black-eyed Susans are excellent choices, as they are hardy and can adapt to various soil types while providing bright and cheerful blossoms throughout the growing seesaw. These plants, once established, are drought-tolerant and can withstand periods of neglect, meaning you won't have to worry constantly about watering and tending to them. Incorporating native plants is another brilliant strategy for a low-maintenance garden. Native species are naturally adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, which means they require less watering, fertilizing, and overall care. They also tend to be more pest-resistant, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Examples might include purple coneflower, goldenrod, or asters, depending on your region. By choosing plants that are well suited to your local environment, you ensure a healthier garden that actively supports local wildlife, including pollinators like bees and butterflies. To achieve a garden that provides year-round interest with minimal effort, consider planting a mix of flowers that bloom at different times. spring bloomers like daffodils and tulips can give way to summer stunners like lavender and sedum, which then transition to fall favourites such as chrysanthemums and asters. This staggered approach ensures that your garden is always lively and colourful, adding dynamic layers of interest that evolve with the seasons. Covers such as creeping thyme or sedum can also play a vital role in a low-maintenance garden by suppressing weeds and retaining soil moisture, thereby reducing the need for mulching and constant weeding. Additionally, they can fill in spaces between your flowering plants, providing a lush backdrop that enhances the vibrancy of your blooms while conserving water. Using a mulch layer is another valuable tip, as it not only conserves soil moisture and maintains an even soil temperature, but also significantly reduces weed growth. Organic mulches like shredded bark or leaf molds slowly break down, enriching the soil with nutrients over time and further supporting plant health with little ongoing effort. Finally, incorporating hardscape elements such as stepping stones, decorative rocks, or garden sculptures can add structure and focus to your garden decig. These features require no maintenance and can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your garden, providing focal points that draw the eye and offer harmony and balance to the overall landscape decig. With the right selection of low-maintenance plants and practical design strategies, you can create a vibrant and beautiful flower garden that provides endless joy and relaxation with minimal effort. This approach allows you to embrace the pleasures of gardening while still accommodating a busy lifestyle, offering the best of both worlds with a garden that is both visually stunning and easy to care for.